In this video, I will discuss the differences between vector and raster data. So which are better, raster or vector data models? The answer? It depends. Neither model is the best for all situations, but they each have their advantages and disadvantages. Raster data models are better than vector models in their ability to represent change across time and space because each cell can be different from its neighboring cell. That allows for more changes to be seen. It's also easier because it allows for a more simple overlay action. We will talk about processes in more detail later in the semester, but the overlay process just puts one layer on top of the other for comparison, and both values can be assessed for each location, which is much easier when using a grid pattern. It also has a much more simple data structure because it really is just a table of values. Lastly, it's the best way to store image data, such as satellite imagery. On the other hand, vector data has some advantages compared to raster data. First, they are stored more compactly on the computer, with large regions of the same value being represented as a single object instead of multiple cells. Because people are used to seeing drawn maps, vector maps are preferable because they are more easily presented and simplified for easier understanding. This is particularly true for curves when raster data would provide a more stair-like appearance. So which is better? It depends on what question you're trying to answer.